Hi everyone, today we're at 321211 Summer Place. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. Let's take a look. You walk straight into your living room. There's tons of natural light in here. As you can see, you go straight into your kitchen, an open concept. And we go straight into the bedroom. This bedroom is really large. And it is an ensuite. You have 2 closets in here, so you have tons of storage. And you have a nice bathroom. Take a look at flagshiprealproperty.com to see this property and some of our other properties. Enjoy!
Renting from Flagship Property Management is easy and has so many advantages. You can pay your rent and make maintenance requests online. There's a 24-hour emergency maintenance hotline, and we have ethical and professional office staff along with so much more. If you like the property that you saw, schedule a viewing online at flagshiprealproperty.com, or as always, give us a call at 252-364-4944.